Hey guys, so this is going to be a quick one. I bought this Keychron K5 Pro in an ISO version so I could get the Nordic keyboard layout. And when you open the box, you have the keyboard, but you also get a USB cable, and you get the tools necessary to take the keycaps off and all this stuff. That's pretty basic. So I bought this instead of my Steelseries Apex keyboard because I thought that the Apex keyboard is too loud and the key switches are too high for me. So this is why I wanted to check out the Keychron K5. It's pretty straightforward to set up. I bought the RGB version, and the only thing you actually need to do is just to plug it in, and you can go either by Bluetooth or by wired. And I have chosen wired because I just like to have my keyboard wired. It's a weird thing, but that's how I like to roll. So I changed all my keycaps to Windows because I'm working with Windows. The keyboard came as a Mac setup, but this is a very nice keyboard, and I will try to show you how it sounds. Okay, I hope this was helpful, you guys. Just wanted to show the difference between the Steelseries and the Keychron K5, and also the MX keyboard from the MX Keys keyboard from Logitech. So yeah, let me know what you think about the Keychron if you have it, and if you don't, let me know if there's something I should check out. I know it can do a lot of things, but let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, have a very, very nice day, and just enjoy everything. Okay, bye.